Hello guys, welcome to Rayvant Masti channel. Today we are going to discuss about we are going to see demo on Geo Digital Life Wi-Fi personal hotspot. Okay, you can see the packet and all. It is we can say this as Geo F53 your personal hotspot. Okay, I mean you can use it as a personal hotspot and Wi-Fi. Okay, turn backside. So we purchased around I mean it's backside it is showing a 2499 bucks, I mean Indian rupees you can say. Okay, but on online Amazon we purchased at how much we purchased?
1980.
999.
980. 1980.
Oh yeah, 1980 we purchased in Amazon. Okay, yeah, you can see in Amazon site, you can find it in Amazon site as well. Okay, see if you see in Amazon site, if you go there on Amazon you can see the details and all, you can find it there also. Okay, so this is Geo personal hotspot. Yeah, you can order it on Amazon as well. Okay, so now we see how this what are the equipment it has and how it is going to work, how we are going to use this, and we will see all the things now. Okay, yeah, just open it and just show the what are the things we have inside. Okay, we have Geo for voice download for free voice calls. Okay, and we have a charger. Okay, this is a charger and you can see so this is the charger, we can use it. Okay, the charging wire and all, so you can use this for charging and all. This is a warranty card given by Geo. Okay, 6 months warranty, I mean I think it has. So this is you can find the details inside. Okay, so this is the procedures given by Geo. So how to how to use this device and all, so everything will be mentioned here. Okay, you can by reading also you can find out how we are going to use this device. Okay, now we see the device. What is that?
This is
Yeah, this is for package for this equipment. Okay, so this is the small equipment we have. You can see, sorry, this way. Okay,
open and show.
yeah, show the device. No, so first initially show the front view. This is the front view of a sorry, this is a back view. This is designed in India. Okay, turn back side. This is the front view, you can say this is a Geo. If you see the power on and off button. Okay, and one more thing, this is a WPS. Okay, that is you can see now. Yeah, this is a, and if you can see this is a power of. Okay, this is just open the device and show that what it contains inside button. This is a back panel. You can see the battery. You see the battery details and all here. Okay, 2600 mAh battery. Okay, so it is made in China, it was mentioned. Okay, so this is to get the charge, equipment getting going to charge using this battery. Okay, the next one I'll show this one.
There is a SIM.
Okay, this is the inside view. Okay,
SIM slot.
yeah, this is a open it and show that one.
This is SIM slot.
Yeah, this is we need to open this, so we can put the Geo SIM inside. Okay,
There is
so
some SD card or memory card.
you can use this one left side. You can use Geo SIM card, nano card. You need to insert. Okay, the right side we have a SD card. You can put the SD card inside it. Okay, and then it will be useful when you are using Wi-Fi. We can use using mobile phone also. The thing is, when mobile phone, when we are using a Geo with mobile phone, it will give you only, I mean, less speed when compared to this personal hotspot device. Why? Because when we are using phone, we have many apps inside, and they consume some of the bandwidth and all. So when we go for this device, it will be useful. It will be only specifically used for Wi-Fi only. So when compared to using Geo, I mean Geo phone Wi-Fi, better we go for personal hotspot. It will be more useful and more speed when compared to the using with mobile. Okay, and also if you see the features in the back side of the equipment of the package and all, packet and all, if you see the many advantages we have, create your own hotspot. Yeah, we can do it our own, and it is connections up to 31 devices. So we can now they are giving it 31 devices at a time we can use it. But the thing is, we can use for, I mean, I think 10 to 15 devices if we can use it, and we can make use of the things. This is the battery backup and all. So sharing SD card, I have shown you the the memory card, where we need to open this button, and right side we can insert the memory card. Left side you can have digital, I mean, in left side you can use, I mean, nano SIM. Okay, so that's how we need to just power on, just power on and show how signal and all will show them. We just clicked on the power button, which is in this side. You can see the power button, right? So we just pressed that power button. You can see the first one is for battery charging, right? I mean, yeah, first one is battery charging. I mean, green color indicates that it's a full charge.
Yes, full
So signal in the middle you can see the four parallel lines that can be indicated as, I mean, signal. So it has full signal. Okay, the last one, in case that's a Wi-Fi one. Yeah, that is for Wi-Fi.
If it is connected to the device, then it will also comes as green.
Oh, okay. The last one we are seeing as a blue color, right? When we connected to the device or personal laptop or else mobile phone, that will be comes to the green color. So now we are getting connected to the mobile phone to show how, I mean, it is going to turn the other color. Okay, now we are connecting to the Geo. See, in the mobile we are just showing you the connecting to Geo FI3 underscore 29552. So yeah, connected now. Connected. See, if you see the connected option is there, right? So we connected through mobile now, and now you can see the color combination has become now changed to green color. Okay, so when we connected to the device, it will show the green color. Green color indicates, I mean, it's a perfectly, I mean, we are getting signal through this device. Okay, so in this way we can use the things. And password, how to change the password?
There is already, they have given the default user ID and password.
Yeah, in the default user ID and all, we have been given
This only maybe.
yeah, in the equipment only it has been given the personal user ID and password. Once you logged in, you can change those things later. Okay, once that got changed, we can make use of, we can change the other password as well. You can, okay, later, once we logged in with the existing password, user ID and password given by the Geo, okay, later we can use, and you can change the password, and we can make use of the things. Okay guys, yeah, this is about Geo FI3 personal hotspot. Yeah, please subscribe our channel. please do like it.
Upload only.
Yeah, we upload again. We use we give our feedback in the next video, how this is going to work by connecting personal laptop and all. So till then, thank you guys, thank you. Please subscribe channel. By Revant, Revant Masti channel, Revant at the rate Masti. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.